Now we will discuss next illustration 37 illustration. Prepare for provision for income tax account from the following information. Provision for income tax are given 1,50,000 and 2,10,000. There is additional information about provision for income tax made during the years 235. So provision for income tax account is your liability account. So that's why we will start this account with credit side. Opening balance is given 1,50,000. Closing provision for income tax are given 2,10,000 and provision for income tax made. So that's why we will write this amount on credit side, profit and loss, tax made. And here we will calculate the balancing figure, that is called cash provision for tax paid. So in this type of question we will calculate two amounts, tax paid or made. If made is given, we will calculate paid, because made will be added in operating activity and paid will be deducted out of operating activity. So these two total amount is 3,85,000. Out of 385 we will deduct 210. So balancing figure is 175. So this is your provision for tax made. So next illustration is illustration number 39. In illustration number 39, shareholder funds, share capital is given, long-term borrowing, trade payables are given, tangible, intangible asset, current assets. In notes, retained earning is given. From retained earning, we can calculate net profit. Mortgage loan are given. Provision for tax are given, and tax made is also given. Land, machinery, goodwill are given. In additional information, gain on sale, depreciation, interest paid. So first thing, we always calculation of net profit before tax. So as I told you, with the help of retained earning we can calculate operating profit. So retained earning on 31st March 2018 is given 4,78,000 and retained earning on 31st March 2017 is given 3,56,000. So 1,22,000 is profit. In this profit we will add provision for tax made. ऑलवेज आपका नेट प्रॉफिट के लिए प्रोविज़न फॉर टैक्स मेड ऐड होता है. तो प्रोविज़न फॉर टैक्स मेड इज़ 32,000. so net profit before tax is calculated 1,54,000. Now the next account we will prepare plant and machinery account. Opening balance is 1,50,000. Closing balance is 1,80,000. Then there is a depreciation is also given in the additional information कि आपका मशीनरी पे कितना डेप्रिसिएशन इनपुट हुआ है 50. सो बैलेंसिंग फिगर विल बी कैलकुलेटेड एज ए परचेज अमाउंट. बैलेंसिंग फिगर इज परचेज अमाउंट. so purchase amount is 40,000 45,000 because credit side total is 195. out of 195 these 1,50,000 minus. So in this account, in this cash flow statement, there is a additional information of land is also given. So that's a land account will be also prepared. Like plant and machinery, land is also asset. So opening balance is debit side, closing balance on credit side. In land account, gain on sale is given. Gain on sale is already given, that is 30,000. So balancing figure will be treated as a sale amount, that is calculated 1,40,000. So this is your land account. Out of 280, 140 deducted, so balancing figure is also 140. These three accounts are prepared. Now additional information of provision for tax is also given. Provision for tax is made, given, paid, given and operate. So we will prepare provision for tax account. This is liability account started with credit side. Provision for tax opening is given 40. Closing is also given 35,000. Provision for tax made is given, which we have already added in operating activity for calculation net profit before tax. So balancing figure will be 72 minus 35. Balancing figure is 37. So this will be considered as tax paid. So all amount is already calculated. Now we will prepare cash flow from operating activity. So let's start. Net profit before tax is calculated. That is 154. Now non-cash adjustment or non-operating items will be added. Depreciation for plant and machinery is 15,000 and interest paid on mortgage loan is also given in the additional information. So this is also your non-operating item. एंड गेन ऑन लैंड, जो लैंड को सेल करके आपको प्रॉफिट हुआ था, दैट इज ऑल्सो योर नॉन ऑपरेटिंग आइटम, so that will be deducted. So your net profit, now operating profit before working capital changes is 163,300. Now after working capital changes, like decrease in current asset में इन्वेंट्री आपको गिवन है. वाई? बिकॉज इन्वेंट्री का अमाउंट आपका कितना हो रहा है. इन्वेंट्री इज 215 in 2017 and 170 in 2018. So 250 minus 170. So your inventory is decreased. So that's why we will write inventory in decrease in current asset. Trade receivable is increased. Trade receivable is 2,10,000 in 2017 and 4,55,000 in 2018. So trade receivable increase. And trade payable is decreased with 94,000. So total of these three amount is 3,39,000, because inventory amount is 45,000. Now the last thing is tax paid, which is calculated. So income tax paid, हमने इनकम टैक्स पेड कैलकुलेट किया है विद द प्रोविज़न फॉर टैक्स अकाउंट. तो ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी इज कैलकुलेटेड. कैश यूज हुआ है बिकॉज माइनस बैलेंसिंग फिगर आ रहा है आपका. So 1,67,700 is your balancing. So now we will calculate cash flow from investing activity. For cash flow from investing activity, plant and machinery account is already calculated. With the help of plant and machinery, purchase of plant and machinery is calculated. That is 45,000. We have also prepared land account. So with the help of land account, we have calculated sale of land. Sale of land amount is 1,40,000. Now the next thing that is given in the statement, intangible assets are 4 lakh to 320. Sorry, in intangible asset, goodwill is given. Goodwill is 50,000 in 2017 and 60,000 in 2018. So that means goodwill is purchased 10,000. So net cash flow from investing activity is calculated 85. Now the next activity is net cash flow from financing activity. For this, mortgage loan are given 170 in 2018 and 0 in, that means mortgage लोन आपका इंक्रीज हो रहा है और आप mortgage लोन पे इंटरेस्ट भी पे कर रहे हो. शेयर कैपिटल आपकी सेम है एंड देर इज़ नो अनदर अमाउंट फॉर इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी. सो प्रोसीड्स फ्रॉम mortgage लोन जो हमने रिसीव किया है दैट इज़ 170 and interest paid on mortgage loan is 24,300. So from investing activity answer is 45,700. In these three activity we will add cash and cash equivalent of opening. If your answer is equal to closing cash and cash equivalent, that means your operating activity answer is correct. तो 63 हमारा कैश फ्लो था फ्रॉम ऑल थ्री एक्टिविटीज़. ऑपरेटिंग कैश एंड कैश इक्विवेलेंट 1,74,000 है. इसमें कैश एट बैंक और करंट इन्वेस्टमेंट ऐड है. सो हमारा आंसर आ गया 237. दैट इज़ इक्वल टू क्लोजिंग कैश एंड कैश इक्विवेलेंट. दैट मीन्स एक्यूरेसी ऑफ दिस स्टेटमेंट इज़ करेक्ट.